Welcome Blue Star School students. Today we are going to see about new chapter. Chapter number is 10. Chapter name is Mensurations in 6th Max NCERT book. Okay. In this chapter we introduce some concept about the region and boundary of different closed shape. Let's see. Right. Chapter 10 Mensuration. Mensurations. Okay, let's see the exercise sum. Then we take the exercise number 10.1. Take down the first sum. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. What do we mean by perimeters? Already you learned in 5th standard. Perimeter is nothing but it is a sum of length of all sides of a closed figure. That is called perimeter. Okay. Let's see and first sum. See this. This is here. Subdivision A. Okay, we have to find the perimeter of this diagram. So, how will you find the perimeter of any closed figure made up of the entire line segment? So, just simply find the sum of the length of all sides. Okay, that is called perimeter. Let's see. Write the formula for perimeter. Perimeter equal to sum of all these sides. Sum of all these sides. We have to add sum of all these sides, all the 4 sides. So it is a quadrilateral because 4 sides are. It has 4 sides and 4 sides are not equal. So that is called quadrilateral. So we have to find the perimeter of quadrilateral. Here sum of the, we have to find add sum of the all length. First one is 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Next one is 1 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Okay. So we have to add these 4 terms. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So the perimeter of the quadrilateral is here 12 centimeter. Next we have to see the B subdivision. Let me take this subdivision B. This one is subdivision B. This is 40 centimeter base. Here 35 centimeter. This one is 23 centimeter. And this is 35 centimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is sum of the all sides. Here how many sides are here? There are 4 sides. So we have to add the length of the 4 sides. 40 centimeter plus 35 centimeter. The length of the third side is 23 centimeter and fourth side is 35 centimeter. So we have to add the length of the four sides of the trapezium. So we get the answer 133 centimeter. The sum is over. Next we have to move the next question. Question number 6. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes Okay, let me take the subdivision A. A triangle of size 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The triangle of the size is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of this triangle. So first we have to draw a triangle based on these three sides. Let me take, this is A, B, C. Here AB is 3 centimeter, AC is 4 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter. So in this triangle we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter of triangle ABC equal to, what is the formula for perimeter? Sum of all the sides. So here how many sides are here? Only 3 sides. So we have to add these 3 sides. Let me take, this is one first side, AC, AB plus AC plus BC. Okay. So the length of the side AB equal to 3 centimeter and length of side AC equal to 4 centimeter plus BC equal to 5 centimeter. Then we have to add these 3 sides. We get the answer 4 plus 3 means 7. 7 plus 5 means 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Next we have to take subdivision C. And an isosceles triangle with equal side (8 centimeter) each, and third side is 6 centimeter. And third side is 6 centimeter. and isosceles triangles with equal sides 8 centimeter each and third side is 6 centimeter. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? It means any two sides of the triangle is equal. Okay. So first we have to draw a triangle, isosceles triangle. This is A, B, C. The given is two equal sides is 8 centimeters. So let me take AB and AC equal to 8 centimeter and third side is 6 centimeter. Let me take it is as 6 centimeter. Okay. So here also we can do the same process. So perimeter of triangle ABC equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, here AB equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter and AC equal to 8 centimeter. Then we have to add these three numbers. The 8 plus 6 means we get 14. 14 plus 8 means 22 centimeter. This is the answer. Next we have to move the question number 8. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 centimeter. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 centimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of a hexagon. Okay. How many sides has hexagon? Hexagon has 6 sides. Okay. So what is the given here? Here the length of the one side is 8 centimeter. Sorry, 8 meter. This is not centimeter. 8 meter. We have to write perimeter of regular hexagon is equal to how many sides it has? It has 6 sides, so we have to multiply by 6 and length of one side. So 6 into length of one side is 8 meter. 8 meter. So we get the answer 48, 6 8s are 48 meter. So therefore the perimeter of the regular hexagon is 48 meter. Next we have to see the question number 10. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long is it each side? Okay, so we have to define the perimeter of regular pentagon. How many sides has pentagon? Pentagon has 5 sides. Already you learned last chapter. So we have to find perimeter of regular pentagon is 5 sides and length of one side, or we can write side. So what is the given perimeter of pentagon is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter equal to 5 and 5 into size. So here we can find the side of the pentagon, length of the one side of pentagon. So 100 centimeter so here 5 can be come this side, left side. So it can be, we have to divide these two number. Then we have reducible by 5 table, we get 20 centimeter. 5 20s are 100. Okay, so side equal to 20 centimeter. So therefore the side of the regular pentagon is 20 centimeter. Next we have to take the question number 16, which is what is the perimeter of each of the following? Each of the following figures. What do you infer from the answer? Let me take the A subdivision number A, 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, and 4 sides are equal. So we have to find the perimeter of this square. Perimeter of the square equal to 4 into side. This is the formula for perimeter of square. 4 into sides, because the 4 sides are equal. So we have to write 4. This is side means the length of any one of this side. So perimeter of square equal to 4 into side. The length of the one side is 25 centimeter. Then we have to multiply these two number, we get 100 centimeter. This is first A subdivision. Next one we have to take the B subdivision B. This is subdivision B, 40 centimeter. Then 10 centimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle because the given figure is rectangle. So we have to find perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so we have to substitute the value. So here 2. Here what is the length? Here length is 40 centimeter. Here breadth is 10 centimeter. So 2 into 40 plus 10 means 50 centimeter. 2 into 50 is 100 centimeter. This sum is over. Next we have to move the homework problem. This is a homework problem. In first sum you have two subdivision C and D. In second sum you have one subdivision, that is B. Next 6, 9 and 16. In 16 you have C and D subdivision. Okay, thank you students.